If this balloon touches the ground, I will die.
And with that, we have replicated the Balloon Boy event. He is now completely invincible, and yet his life is completely in my hands. Now, we have tested this on dozens of death row inmates to figure out what exactly quantifies the ground. Notice how I can put the balloon on a shelf and it is completely fine. However, even in this container, if I place it on the ground, he will die. If you pop the balloon, there is no effect so long as the pieces of the balloon don't touch the ground. Obviously, I have a balloon of my own. But I wish I had left it home.